We have a 600-kilometer highway that's being extended to now be 760 kilometers long. Problem is, what is that increase in length of the highway in miles? So it's just a bit of a conversion problem here. I find a question like this is easy to solve if we set up two equivalent fractions. Now, we know that the change in highway length is 160 kilometers. I'm just getting that from finding the difference between 760 and 600. So 160 kilometers over X miles, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to figure out how many miles that is. And we're going to set that to be equal to the ratio that we know. We know that 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. Notice something very important here, that I made sure I put the unit of kilometers in the numerator and the miles in the denominator. It's very important that moving from left to right here, that those match. If you have kilometers in the numerator of 1, but then kilometers in the denominator of your other fraction, you're going to get the wrong answer. So that's very important. Okay, now we can start our cross multiplying. So we're going to do, let's do 1.6 times x is equal to 160 times 1, or just 160. Well, this is pretty easy to solve. All we need to do is divide everything by 1.6. And you don't even need a calculator for that. 160 divided by 1.6 is 100. Don't forget our units. We were trying to find the increase in length of the highway in miles. So it's 100 miles longer. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for choosing JD's Prep.